Oh man. Welcome to another terrified but exciting auto pairing against the 2608. What do I play for a laugh? Budapest? I can play anything. It's 2608 for God's sake. Play anything. I don't know. Anything. Surprise weapon. 94. I think in some ways this might be better than the Alvin Counts Gambit. He's shut down his own bishop. Can I get hack attack with rook a6? If I keep the third rank clear,
check.
I can play rook a6 to a6. Oh, this is ridiculous. It's in the book. Yeah, I haven't just made this up. I mean, the idea. Yeah, I was wondering if I had queen h4 first. I can get my rook h6. He might not be laughing so hard as he is now, I assume. Yes, I'm sure he's worried now. Isn't it queen g5 for knight f3? Except he just moves out of the way, it's not that easy. Queen h4, I can try and disguise it with queen h5 once he plays. Doesn't queen... hang on. No, queen h4, queen e5. Let's try and avoid losing the knight. So queen g5 keeps the knight protected and threatens knight f3. Isn't it just like... let's look at f4. It plays queen d5. Bishop d6, f4. Queen d5 is an obscene trap. But the likelihood of him falling for it is 0, isn't it? I mean, I could test it. Just for fun. This plays queen c7. What about... so d6, queen a8. I've got... let's keep things a bit sane. Queen a8, king d8. Queen h4's interesting. Well, there's bishop b7. I've just screwed this all up. No. No, that would have been fun. I should have played the trap. Why didn't I play that trap? That was my chance for a funny trap. Maybe he just saw it all. He saw it all. I'm imagining he saw it all. It's all a bit optimistic. Might be fine though. Ouch. I'm hiding my head. Hiding in shame. Hiding in shame here. Sorry. It was the chocolate biscuits, not his rating. I had 2 McVitie's dark chocolate biscuits and they've obviously affected my brain.
Check.
There's a pawn there. If I'm a computer, I'll take it. G6. I'm closing up the poor rook. I don't want to do that. D5. Wow. What's this about? If he takes C6, I get an important tempo, don't I? Rook H5 for knight F3. And black's actually better here. Wow. I'm threatening knight F3, aren't I, for queen H2. So D5 and FCD. I mean, it's interesting how these positions. That would have really justified the rook. This is better for black.
Check. Check.
Let's go back. So this position, I need to play. Oh no! This is something to bear in mind. D5. What does he do? What a wombat! And if he takes here. If he goes back, he'll be in trouble.
Check. Check.
Instead, I'm looking at things like Queen G5. I don't think they work. I don't think this works. I mean, I think even here, I mean, just forces my queen back. So nothing works. I've got to factor in Queen A8. I want something to do with this rook to justify the rook being on H6, because that is a clever maneuver. He did play E3, letting this maneuver happen. D5 answers the questions, it seems. Here, Queen D8. There's some amusing variations here. I gotta say, this is, what on earth is this position? This is really uncharted territories. Uncharted territory. Is he being greedy? D5. Let's go over this again. Here, I go here, causing him a problem. He's trapping his queen. I can't believe this. What is this stuff? He has to play this. What is this stuff? Alright, he's on E5, so that's pinned. Knight takes C4. Queen takes E4. White still ends up better with best play. But it'll be in a game, a bit more of a game. No, this is just good. Queen A8. That's really, so just one step away from D5. Hang on. Let me just sanity check this again. So Queen A8 for Rook A6. I mean, who would see this stuff? I mean, it's crazy. If I played King D8 as Bishop F5, exploiting the pin immediately. This is okay as well. Alright, the postmortem's more interesting than the game for sure. It's one of those cases the postmortem really beats the game continuation, because the game didn't last that long. Because I just leave everything hanging that I've got. Okay, anyway, fun one. Yeah, in postmortem. Comments, questions, likes appreciated. Thanks very much.